My whole life I have been traveling not to meet new people but to meet myself again and again. Every time I get introduced to a new place, a new vibe, I get introduced to a part of me which I had never known. There are some things in life which you cannot describe but only feel. Rajasthan is truly one of those places. The people, the languages, the culture still resemble the richness of our country.
So hey guys, this is day 2 and अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं कुछ सफारी करने.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like
So the whole group is right here.
there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Okay, let's just do it normally.
Practice the script.
Okay guys, so we are now someplace in the desert and यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, हम लोग ऐसे ही रुके हुए हैं. वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी के लिए तो अलाउ नहीं किया अंदर जाने के लिए, तो बस ऐसे ही फोटो शूट चल रहा है बस यहाँ पे. So JD just did a failed attempt of something, right JD? Yeah, we're going to do it again. We'll show you again.
Hey bro, it's me, what's up? So we are in this vast desert here. We do not know what to do, but we thought we'll give you a little tips about photography. So right now, we're gonna give you some, I don't know what to say.
Okay. So we came by these jeeps. Jeep बोलते हैं
Hope
जिप्सी.
they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the
अभी जस्ट टर्बन टाइंग वाला सेशन हुआ है एंड वी जस्ट केम बैक फ्रॉम अ जीप राइड जो हमने वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी पे गए थे हम लोग, वहाँ से वापस आए. एंड नाउ वी आर जस्ट आउट हियर इन द ड्यून्स. वी आर जस्ट शूटिंग. आई एम विद JD and Raj and we are just shooting some scapes. So we thought why not to share some tips with you guys about photography and how we are shooting so that you can also get some images, cool looking images. And so yeah. Hey guys, so point number 1 is very simple. Know what you want to shoot and why you want to shoot it. So for example, we are in the sand dunes in Rajasthan. So I know what kind of aesthetic this place has. I have done my homework and I know that what kind of images I want from these locations. So the whole work of photography becomes way easier when you have your homework done. So that is my first point, is know what you're shooting rather than just going to the location and shooting something for the first time. So that will help you a lot. Again, what you have in here and what you have on camera should match. That is another quick tip which you guys could work on. So the first point is know your locations, do your homework, and Hopefully that will solve a lot of your problems. So that's tip number 1. Peace.
Hey guys, I'm back. So I want to tell you the second tip, so where you could use to make your photography better. So the second tip is use rule of composition. So using the rule of composition, you're placing your subject at the most intersection point. So when you practice and then when you implement it, so you're gonna make an amazing photograph. So don't expect anything which is like, okay, you do this and then you're gonna achieve this. But if you practice well, so when you practice well, you will know which one is better, so to follow the rule or to break them. So you can make an image very interesting and then your audience will feel your image. So that's rule number 2. Let's go.
Okay, hey guys, so the third tip, right?
Yeah.
So the third tip is yeah, so the third tip is so the third tip is know your settings right. Whenever you're going to shoot in a location, know what kind of circumstances you are shooting in. So for example, if it's very sunny, if it's very dark, if it's misty or cloudy, so know what kind of settings work where, and accordingly adjust your camera before you get to the location, so that whenever you're there you just click and get the perfect shot within no time, so that you can create some new compositions with the time you have in hand.
Okay, now I think we'll climb there. Let's see who will climb first.
So JD won, obviously. I am having a heavier backpack, man. Come on.
Oh, see what excuses people give.
Okay, guys. So the next tip which we have thought is don't go for cheap gear. If you're getting a good camera, even if you have a bad camera, it doesn't matter. You should always invest in good gears. Don't buy just don't buy if you're going for cheap. Wait, save up and then invest in a good gear.
Yeah, just to give an example, the ND filters, right? You buy a Sony G Master lens, and then if you have a cheap ND filter, then what's the point of buying a G Master? So instead you can buy some other cheap lens. So whenever you're buying, just think on the future. So what you could do. So are you gonna be in the game for some time? Is the gear worth it? Is the gear worth the money? Or you can spend more. So let's say you have a budget of 50,000. Can you do more? 60,000 or 70,000? And then try to invest some quality stuff, because quality, when you invest in quality, it gives you back.
Yeah,
so it's all about
that's true.
Yeah, so when you start investing in it, so you start getting it back. So you may not see it immediately. Once you start understanding your gear, as you said in the third tip,
yeah,
you will see the returns. So
yeah,
that's tip number 4.
That's tip number 4. Crazy, man, this is crazy. Okay, so this was the most craziest experience I've ever done. Amazing, guys. You should come here and try this, man. Such a crazy experience, man. Man. Oh God, how did you feel, JD?
Oh dude, this was sick, I'm telling you. When we were going
Best
around
moment,
that,
right?
I'm like, dude, I'm holding so much. But those guys truly killed it.
Yeah.
Now we've got it, bro.
Okay guys, so the fifth tip for today is never to forget to enjoy yourself. What are you doing?
I'm just saying, have fun.
Yeah, you should always, enjoy the moment. Whatever you're doing, enjoy it, and it's okay if you don't get the images you want. But the whole point of photography is to get to know yourself better and hopefully improve yourself in the future.
Yes, and
with the
make
tools
some
you have.
memories.
Exactly. Taught you something well today.
Okay, sorry for the language,
Yeah,
we'll beep
sorry
it
for the
out.
language. Yeah, we'll beep it out. So I hope we have taught you guys something good today. And don't forget, the fifth point is the most important point according to me, because photography is not only about the technical aspects. It's more about having fun, enjoying the art,
Creating
and actually
memories, making them
memories.
last.
Yeah, and making relations with great people around you, and it's all about finding that thing which sets you apart from everyone else. It was a great day today. So if you're coming to Rajasthan, do try this experience out.
Yes.